to the dilution chamber.
And then you reconnect it back to the switch.
To the switch, right. So it's treated with acid and so again, two scoops of acid and another treatment. So you neutralize it and put it in the switch.
So the water that the line that goes to the switch, you don't recycle that anymore?
So wouldn't that be made black water?
Well, no, you have, what do you call it? I mean, you have the gray water. It's coming from rainwater, so I don't know how much more you can recycle that. But when you're really extensive, a really extensive, like, treatment.
Because I have the one treatment now.
What are
That separated it.
Black and grey one.
Separate which one?
The black and the gray.
The gray water.
Yeah, because of the, well, they do not, I think they treat their sewage system down the bottom.
treatment plant,
And they do their whatever else they do down there.
Yeah, but I guess because it's an on-site treatment plant, they can do it public.
Because around 2 sets of pipes is too expensive.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's for this.
Yeah,